Good evening to everyone. I'm Shani Yadav from class 6, that's roll number 21, and I'm going to do an activity on insulators and conductors. So let's start it. Conductors, materials that allow current to pass through it. Insulators, materials cannot produce current. मीन्स जो मटेरियल जिससे करंट आता है एंड इंसुलेटर्स वो मटेरियल होते हैं जिनके थ्रू करंट पास ही नहीं होता है लेकिन कंडक्टर के थ्रू करंट पास होता है. चलिए एग्जांपल देखते हैं. कंडक्टर्स एग्जांपल है गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम एक्सेट्रा. इसके बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. जनरली मेटल यूज फॉर करंट. जनरली मेटल यूज होता है करंट के लिए, पास होता है करंट जनरली मेटल से. अभी तक लोग ज्यादातर यही यूज करते हैं. इंसुलेटर का एग्जांपल है रबर टॉयज, रबर ग्लव्स एंड वुड, क्योंकि इन सबसे करंट पास ही नहीं होता है, इन सबसे करंट नहीं लगता है. So here's a diagram of insulator. Here I have written insulator. ये जैसे कि एक ट्यूब लाइट है और इसको हम लोगों ने कनेक्ट किया है. यहाँ पर कुछ वायर्स हैं और यहाँ पर मैंने एक रबर डक रखी है और यहाँ पर एक सेल है. तो अगर यहाँ पर रबर डक है मीन्स ये एक इंसुलेटेड प्रोडक्ट है. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, ये लाइट ऑन नहीं हो पाएगी बिकॉज करंट ही पास नहीं हो पाएगा. हाँ, ये नेगेटिव साइड हो गई इसलिए है. सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. हियर इज कंडक्टर. तो ये कंडक्टर का एग्जांपल है और यहाँ पर भी मैंने सेम टू वायर्स रखे, एक सेल रखा है. बस एक का डिफरेंस है कि मैंने यहाँ पर रखी है कॉपी पेन, नोटबुक पेन. मीन जिसे हम लोग यूज करते हैं कि अगर किसी का पेज नहीं उठ रहा है तो हम लोग उस पर लगा देते हैं. ये मेटल टाइप में होती है. तो इसकी वजह से अगर हम लोग इसमें से करंट पास करेंगे तो इसमें से हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मेटल कॉपर ऐसी वाली चीज़ों है, ऐसी वाली ये चीज़ है. तो इसकी वजह से करंट पास हो जाएगा. तो ये क्या, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है, प्रोड्यूस करंट है. ये क्या करता है, करंट को प्रोड्यूस करता है. बट इंसुलेटर ये करंट नहीं प्रोड्यूस करता है. ओके और मैं एक और बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि इसमें होती है टू साइड, एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव. और इसमें भी होती है टू साइड, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव, जिसकी वजह से एक जो नेगेटिव साइड होती है उससे करंट रुक जाता है और जो पॉजिटिव साइड होती है उससे क्या होता है, चल जाता है. थैंक यू
Everyone, today we are going to study a topic. The topic name is to prove that oxygen supports burning. I have made a diagram that I hope that the diagram will help you to understand this topic, as you can see here. So as you can see this, I have made a diagram, means two diagram, first diagram and second diagram. In both diagram we have taken a bowl, a candle and a transparent glass. As you can see, the experiment was doing or not. In first diagram, the candle is burning. We have burned the candle and put the transparent glass towards it and filled some water on it, on the bowl. As you can see, the candle is burning. But as is on a second diagram, the opposite thing was done. The candle was extinguished. So I will tell you why this happens. क्योंकि ग्लास खाली नहीं था, उसमें ऑक्सीजन्स थे. जो ऑक्सीजन्स कैंडल को हेल्प कर रहे थे बर्न होने में. एंड जब ग्लास में ऑक्सीजन ख़त्म हो गया, मीन्स एक्सटिंग्विश हो गया, तो कैंडल भी अपने आप बुझ गई. ये और फिर जब ऑक्सीजन ख़त्म हो गया तो वाटर भी ग्लास के अंदर आने लगा, as you can see here. So this diagram has proved us, means this experiment has proved us that oxygen supports burning. I hope that the diagram is understandable to you, and I hope that this is clear to you. Thank you.
Conductors of electricity. The materials which allows electricity to pass through them are called conductors. Like metals, we have in metals we have aluminium. Aluminium allows electricity to pass through them. Iron wires and copper wires also, they allow electricity to pass through them. And water also, that's how hydroelectricity is obtained. And insulators of electricity are the materials which does not allow electricity not allows electricity to pass through them are called insulators, like wood, plastic, rubber. If we see an electrician repairing a electricity pole, the electrician wears a rubber gloves and boots so that he cannot get shock from the wires. And the tools which are used by the electricians are this screwdriver. It has a plastic handle on its end. It is due to that because plastic is an insulator of electricity. So if there would be no handle here, there are so many chances we can get shock from the electricity. And hammer also have wood in it. Electricians use this also, and pliers also, and the pliers have also plastic handles so that we cannot get shock from electricity.
Good evening, sir. I am Namrata, class 6. The roll number is 15. My topic is working of switch. You can make a switch using battery, bulb, safety pin, thermocol sheet, and wire. Now make a circuit by connecting an electric cells and a bulb with this switch shown. Rotate the safety pin so that it's free and torches the other drawing pin. Now move the safety pin. Does the bulb continue to glow?
Good evening everyone. Today our topic is working of switch. An electric circuit with a switch. We can make a circuit using battery, bulb, wire, drawing pins. Case 1. When safety pin is connected to the pin, then battery is on. Battery is current on the bulb is glow. Case 2. When safety pin is disconnected on the pin, then battery is off. No current on the bulb, then bulb is off. Thank you.
Today we are going to start with a new topic, that are conductors and insulators. Conductors are those objects that allow electricity to pass through them. Example, copper wire and aluminum wire, etc. And what are insulators? Insulators are objects that not allow electricity to pass through them. Example, plastic. We can see that a copper wire is covered with a plastic. So if it will not covered with a plastic, so when we'll touch that, we will got a shock. And if the wire will covered with plastic, then when we will touch that, then we will not got the shock. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Karan Kumar from class 6. Sir, my roll number is 12. My topic is working of switch. Switch is an electric device which can make or break an electric circuit. This is a simple switch. A switch is said to be in on position when it's make or completes the circuit and allow the current to pass through. See in this figure. Simply, a switch is off position when it's make break the circuit and does not allow the current to pass through. You can see in this image.
Hello students, today we are going to learn components of air. So let's start with our today's topic. Now let us know what is air. Air is nothing but a mixture of variety of gases. The air in the atmosphere consists of nitrogen, oxygen, which is life-sustaining substance for animals and humans. carbon dioxide, water vapor, and small amount of other elements like argon, neon, etc. are a part of atmosphere. So, our next topic is components of air. Components of air. As we know that there are 5 components of air: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and other gases. The 3 main components are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Oxygen. Have you ever tried to burn a candle in absence of air? If you would try, you would notice that it doesn't burn in absence of air. Air contains some matter which supports combustion. This substance is oxygen. Oxygen is one of the major components of air around us. Air comprises almost 21% of Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen. When you blow over a burning candle, you notice that it extinguishes. This is due to the presence of nitrogen. Nitrogen occupies nearly 78% of Earth's atmosphere and is the most abundant gas on our planet. It contains incombustible gases, gases which don't support combustion. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is mainly produced due to respiration by plants and animals or burning of fuel. It occupies over 0.038% of Earth's atmosphere. Its occupancy keeps on changing from one place to another.
So, good evening, students. How are you all? So, our topic is electric circuit. Now, I hope you all are questioning that what is electric circuit? How does it work? Wait, I will tell. So, this is an electric circuit. Firstly, I will tell you about battery. What is battery? This is a battery, and battery has 2 terminals: positive terminal and negative terminal. Positive terminal has a plus sign and negative has a minus sign. So you can see this is a battery, and it has also like this. And you can look at it if you do not have this. You can look at it by, because positive terminal has a cap like structure on it, and negative has a surface, flat surface. So I hope battery is clear to you. So this, and you are thinking how this bulb is glowing, because circuit is complete. If we break this circuit, or if we break any wire of it, it will not glow, because circuit is incomplete. And when current flows through the circuit, then bulb glows. If not, it will not glow. So thank you, and we will meet in the next class.
And I am of class 6th. Today I will explain you 2 topics which are conductors and insulators. Conductors, materials which allows electricity current to pass through them, are conductors of electricity. There is one cell और सेल के नेगेटिव पॉइंट से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही है बल्ब तक, और अपोजिट पॉइंट से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी जा रही है. इसको क्या कहेंगे? अ कंडक्शन ऑफ टेस्टर. सेकंड, यहाँ पे भी एक सेल है, इसके नेगेटिव पॉइंट से बल्ब तक जा रही है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और उसके अपोजिट पॉइंट से ये मेटल की है, इससे भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है. मेटल की से वो भी यहाँ से बल्ब तक जा रही है. इसको हम लोग कहेंगे टेस्टिंग वेदर द बल्ब ग्लोज व्हेन द टेस्टर इन द कॉन्टेक्ट विथ अ की. इसका एग्जांपल हम लोग बताते हैं: आयरन, गोल्ड एंड मेटल एसेट्रा, एंड सिल्वर ऑल्सो. Insulator do not allows electricity current to pass through them. इधर भी एक सेल है, ये अपने माइनस पॉइंट से बल्ब तक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भेज रहा है, लेकिन ये अपने अपोजिट पॉइंट से जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भेज रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे वुड है जो कि मेटल नहीं है, इससे यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास नहीं होगी. इसको हम लोग कहेंगे द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज नॉट पासिंग थ्रू द बल्ब. एग्जाम्पल इसका बता देते हैं: वुड, प्लास्टिक, रबर एंड एसेट्रा. Have a nice day.
From class 6 stage. Today I am presenting a activity on pollution and its effects. And today I am starting on air pollutions. We can see in the air pollution that in factories we can see that the pollution is coming from factory is so harmful. That because I'm saying of the factories is polluting some harmful pollutants coming from the factory. That's because that it is also affected on the cities, and people are causing the disease like heart, respiratory problem, and cancer, etc. And that's why this also can be should be stopped, because of this pollution is so harmful and effective for all of the peoples. Next we are going for water pollution. In water pollution, we can see that people are throwing garbage such as bottles, tins, etc. I am telling that bottles, tins, etc. that the people are throwing. That's why I am telling that in water we shouldn't do any pollutions, but people are not understanding and they are polluting the water, and all the sea animals are dying because of this harmful garbage. And we shouldn't do this amount of garbage will be throwing in the water. It shouldn't be throw, and we should be stop this garbage throwing. Next we are going to the land pollution. In land pollution, we can see that peoples are throwing plastics on the road. Why I am telling that people are throwing plastics on the road, because all the people are throwing plastics, and suppose any of the people has eaten their food and the plastic has get in their pocket.
Good evening, sir. My name is Prajan Pandey of class 6th F and my roll number is 17. Today we will study about magnet, working of magnet. Magnet attracts so many things like iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. Magnet has two property. First, direction, and there are two directions of magnet, south and north. Second, substance which attract from magnet like iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. South and south will never attract, and north-south will always attract. South-south will repel each other, and south-north will attract. Attraction of iron from magnet.